Hello guys, welcome back to my page, and today we are tying this head wrap on my head. Check it out, look at the back. Okay, this is what we are trying out today. So guys, let's get started. Get your material and join me. Let's do this. So I have this my material with me, and I just folded it into two equal parts. Take note, it is three parts, like three parts being joined together to make this gele, three layers. Okay, so I folded it into two equal parts, then I just tried to pleat the open mouth like this. Yeah, when you pleat it, then you grab it up with an elastic band. Okay guys, so this is very simple. This is a very simple head wrap. I will always look for something simple that we can do on our own. You don't know that day that you need that head wrap and you will now start running up and down saying you don't know how to tie. No, it is not allowed. So guys, after making that pleat, you can see I just place it right on my head, and to the back I held another elastic band which I used to firm it before I dip the excess into the hole at the back. Are we cleared? So if you're not clear with that explanation, my if you watch it, I'm sorry, you're gonna get it. And the rubber band at the back, I didn't take note that the rubber band is not under, so make sure when you do your own, check it before you go out that the rubber band falls under, so that it doesn't show like mine. Okay, so and here you come to the front, the two pleats, you separate it like this. The first one, you bring it the first edge down and you pin it down. If you've been coming across my video, and you must have come across something like this, we bend it here, then we pin the first edge, second edge. Okay, and you pick the other one. You can see how simple this is. So you pick the other one, roll it up like 2 or 3 times depending on the length and the size of the material. Then when you roll it like that, you pin the edge, the first edge, and you go to the other one, roll it up, and you pin the other edge as well. Okay, you can see that this is fast and simple is what you can do. So guys, this is the end of the head wrap. In short, that is the end. You just, after pinning it down like that, you just have to adjust it to your own taste, and you're good to go. Yes, you are good to go guys. Now let me remind you, so that you will not forget, don't be carried away. Do give me a thumbs up, give my video thumbs up, I mean like, share, and do comment. And if you haven't followed my page, kindly hit the follow button and follow for more head wrap tutorials guys. I just added that, it's not necessary, I just added it to add more beauty to it, and that's all my guys, my people. Okay, we are done, and I'll be dropping more simple head wrap. See you guys.